Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Grok 3. First of all, what you have to do is open Google search engine and search for Grok 3 and click on the top search result, which is x.ai, and then this page will open. From here, what you have to do is click on the try now button. Now a new page will open just like ChatGPT. It has an interface like ChatGPT and you have some options. For instance, you can start a new chat with Grok's personas. So if you ever have used ChatGPT in past, you can easily use that, so you do not have to learn this anymore. So it has latest news tab. It also has a deep search. If you want to search the internet, or if you want to make a research paper, or you're like researching on some deep level stuff, then you can enable this feature and it will get deep search for you for the information that is not widely available for everyone. So, and there's also an option called think, and then we have a drop down menu with which you can also go back to the Grok 2, which is previous generation model. You can also enable search. For instance, if you enable this toggle, which means you are using, it's like you're using Google search engine and ChatGPT infused together into a single place. Also, you can attach files, but you have to log into attach files. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.